Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Clean fuel injectors keep your engine running smoothly and save you money at the pump. These small but vital parts spray fuel into the combustion chamber, ensuring your car gets the right mix of air and gas for efficient performance. Over time, build-up can clog them, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, or worse, fuel economy. Checking and cleaning your injectors regularly helps prevent costly repairs and keeps your engine in top shape. Whether you notice performance issues or just want to stay ahead, a little maintenance goes a long way. Here's how to do it right. Understanding fuel injectors and their role. Fuel injectors are like the precise nozzles that keep your engine fed with the right amount of fuel at the right time. Without them working properly, your car could choke on too much fuel or starve for power, neither of which is good for performance or your wallet. Whether you're dealing with hesitation during acceleration or just planning routine maintenance, knowing how fuel injectors function and spotting early warning signs can save you headaches and repair bills down the road. What fuel injectors do. Fuel injectors deliver atomized fuel directly into the combustion chamber or intake manifold, depending on your engine type. They work under high pressure, spraying fuel in a fine mist that mixes with air for efficient burning. This process is controlled by your car's computer, which adjusts timing and volume based on engine speed, load and temperature. Think of them as tiny high-tech sprinklers. When they're clean and functioning right, your engine runs smoothly. A clogged or faulty injector disrupts this balance, leading to poor combustion, wasted fuel, and even damage over time. Signs of dirty or faulty fuel injectors. Spotting trouble early keeps small issues from becoming big repairs. Here's what to watch for. Rough idling or stalling. Uneven fuel delivery makes your engine shake or stall at stops. Poor fuel economy. Clogs force the engine to work harder, burning more gas than necessary. Engine misfires. Incomplete combustion causes hesitation or jerking under acceleration. Strong fuel smell. Leaking injectors can leave raw gasoline around the engine bay. Check engine light. Failed injectors often trigger trouble codes like P0300 random misfires. If your car feels sluggish or starts guzzling gas, dirty injectors might be the culprit. Regular checks and cleaning can keep these issues in check. Tools and materials needed for cleaning and inspection. Before diving into cleaning your fuel injectors, you'll want to gather everything you need. Having the right tools on hand saves time and reduces frustration. Nobody wants to stop mid-job to hunt down a missing part. The right cleaning solutions and safety gear also make the process smoother and safer. Essential tools. A good fuel injector cleaning session starts with the right equipment. Here's what you'll need. Fuel injector cleaning kit. This usually includes adapters, hoses, and a canister for cleaner. Some kits offer ultrasonic options for deep cleaning. Safety gloves and goggles. Fuel and cleaning chemicals can irritate skin and eyes. Better safe than sorry. Multimeter. Helps check the injector's electrical resistance to confirm it's working properly. Basic hand tools. Screwdrivers, wrenches and pliers for removing injectors or covers. Clean rags or shop towels for wiping away grime and spills as you work. Flashlight. Makes inspecting tight spaces much easier. If you're planning to remove the injectors for a thorough clean, a set of O-rings and seals is also a smart addition. Old seals can leak if reused. Cleaning solutions and additives. Not all fuel injector cleaners are created equal. Some work better as preventive maintenance, while others tackle tough clogs. Here's what to consider. Liquid fuel injector cleaners. These are poured directly into the fuel tank and work while you drive. Convenient, but they're milder and better for maintenance than heavy cleaning. Professional grade cleaners. Used with a cleaning kit, these stronger formulas can dissolve stubborn deposits. They often require the injectors to be removed or hooked up to a pressurized system. Additives with detergents. Help keep injectors clean over time but won't fix major clogs. Look for brands with PEA polyethylamine for better results. Pros of cleaning additives include ease of use and low cost, but they won't replace a hands-on cleaning for seriously dirty injectors. Stronger cleaners require more effort but deliver deeper results, ideal if your engine is showing symptoms of clogged injectors. Skip the cheap gas station bottles if you suspect buildup. For neglected injectors, a dedicated cleaning kit or professional service is the way to go. Step-by-step guide to cleaning fuel injectors. Cleaning fuel injectors isn't as intimidating as it sounds if you follow the right steps. Taking your time and working methodically ensures you get the best results without risking damage. Here's how to do it safely from start to finish. Preparing the vehicle. Before touching the injectors, set yourself up for success with these steps. Park on a flat, stable surface, ideally a garage or driveway with good lighting. Use wheel chocks if you're on a slight incline. Disconnect the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Remove the negative terminal first with a wrench. Relieve fuel pressure by locating the fuel pump fuse. Check your owner's manual and run the engine until it stalls. Gather your tools nearby. Gloves, safety glasses, rags, and your cleaning kit or solution. A little prep work keeps surprises to a minimum. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll cover more tips to keep your engine in top shape. See you soon! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.